This is a really quick video on how to replace taillight bulbs. So as you can see, the passenger side taillight bulb works fine, and the driver's side taillight bulb is burned out. And depending on which car you have, you might just be able to pull an access panel off to get to a bulb, or you might have to pull the trunk liner down, or you could even have to pull the taillight out. Assuming you can get to the back of the bulb, just grab it and rotate either clockwise or counterclockwise depending on your car, and it'll pop right out. Then, assuming the bulb itself isn't shattered, you can just basically pop it right out of the assembly. Then you can take it to the auto parts store and buy the right one, or compare it to the one you've already bought and basically just pop it right back into the assembly. Then in reverse order, you just grab the assembly and put it back into the taillight and rotate it the opposite direction in which it came out. This one happened to rotate clockwise to lock in. Then just grab something heavy and put it on the brake and verify the light works.